There are many varieties of Aglonema. Here is the lipstick Aglonema, and here I have another two varieties in the same pot. They were so small when I brought them from the nursery. Now it's time for me to repot these two separately. But still these plants are really growing well. Beautiful Aglonema. One of the beautiful indoor plants and very easy care plant, and one of the permanent plants to grow in your garden. And this is famous as an indoor plant. So today the topic is growing Aglonema, and I will be sharing 5 tips of growing Aglonema plants. Watch until the end so that I will be narrating you how to grow and care for these beautiful indoor plants Aglonema. These plants need bright indirect sunlight, so they will be really very growing well if you locate it in a place where it gets the indirect bright sunlight. So these plants, even if you keep it indoors, better it be near a windowsill so that they get the filtered sunlight. So that is the first thing. Sunlight is very important for these plants to grow well. So locate it in a place where it gets at least the medium to partial sunlight. That is the first thing. Secondly, these plants need the well-draining soil. When you're making the potting mix, you can use garden soil, and you can use coco peat and sand, and also time to time giving compost is an advantage for the plant growth. So that is about the plant soil. When it comes to watering Aglonema plants, you can water them when the first inch of the soil is dried out. And when you keep these plants indoors, they can go maximum up to a week, and you can still check the soil on the top layer and water them. Aglonema plants need ample pots, and if you have put it in pots, you will have to time repot them. When the plant gets bigger, they need spacious ample space for their growth. So time to time, when the plant gets growing bigger, you will have to transplant them in another pot. So these plants are not that fertilizer seeking much, but you can use any fertilizer of your choice. So house plants fertilizer will be fine, and you can use homemade fertilizer as well, like coffee fertilizer or liquid tea fertilizer, or else you can use any vegetable soaked fertilizer too. These are organic and homemade. There are many varieties of Aglonema. Here is the lipstick Aglonema, and here I have another two varieties in the same pot. They were so small when I brought them from the nursery. Now it's time for me to repot these two separately. But still these plants are really growing well. So those are the tips of growing Aglonema very healthily. I hope you find this video useful. I have narrated about the sunlight, watering, soil, the size of the pots, and also fertilizer. So I hope you find this video very useful. Thanks for watching. Do share this video with your friends, and don't forget to like it, and if you are new, consider subscribing to Tamara's Garden. See you soon with another video like this. Bye.